Now we will add tabs. Tabs are available only on basic version. On light and free versions you won't have tabs. I want to add tabs next to these 4 buttons. Let's go and edit layout. Let's expand. Here are our 4 buttons in a column. Because we have here a row, we can add tabs group directly. The button is this one. We are adding it in the row. Let's add channel and vector tabs. To create a new tab, you just click this button and you will create another one in the same group. Just to keep in mind, tab groups are a little bit different. To order in a row or in a column, the arrow would be up or down, but in a row, tab group is this arrow. If you click, it will jump. Click back. So basically the same is here. This arrow is for active tab ordering. If I had one more tab here, this arrow will order active tab. Move left, or if you want to move third tab, left. But we will delete this tab, we don't need it. And move the group back to right. Tabs basically same as rows or columns, have their own settings. Let's move channel back to the first one, and I want it to be blue. Tab color, blue. Okay. Vector, I want it to be green. Okay. I want to have each tab some buttons. Let's create a column inside the tab, a row, and I will add a button. Okay, for vector, I will do the same. We have a layout with tabs. Settings for tabs, very similar to row, except they also have icons. You can select icon from around 900 of them. List here is selected random icons from all 900. Starts filtering as you type. All the icons used are from Adobe's website. These icons are from Adobe Spectrum design system, so all these icons that are available here are available in the plugin also. Same as you can filter here. The same way you can filter in the plugin, except here you can see all icons at once. In the plugin, for performance reasons, the list is not showing all the icons at once. If you filter here, it filters as you type. If you move your mouse over the icon, you can see icon title, and this is the title that filtering is happening. As an example, I will show you quickly how icons appear on the tabs. We will get into this later. For example, channel tab now has this icon, and you can change here the color if you want. Click apply. As you can see, color changes. I will remove for now the icon here, and we will get back to icons when we will discuss buttons. I noticed I didn't add the buttons in the tabs, and I don't want to see these borders, so let's go and change that. Edit layout. Let's expand. And I don't want to see this border for this row either. Let's remove it. And here for the column. I don't want to see a border. For vector, same. I don't want to see this border. For masking, let's add buttons. I don't want to see border here either. Let's remove border here also. I think we are finished with our tabs layout. We have both tabs we needed. It's the same if you want to edit tab, for example, change a color, just right click, the same as on the row or column title, right click and change to maybe yellow, I don't know. Click OK. As you can see, it's more or less the same as with rows or columns. And now let's move to buttons. We will set up all of them to do something.